Humans? Very strange. They wake when still tired. They leave home to go to place they do not like. They call this job. They do it every day for 40, sometimes 50 Earth years. They say it gives them purpose. But when I ask, what is purpose? They say, to make money. Then I ask, what is money? They say, it buys food. Why not skip job and just get food? They stare at me, like I said something rude. Humans invented small paper rectangles. These rectangles decide who eats and who cries. They say, time is money. But then they spend time trying to get money and use money to buy time again. That is, very inefficient loop. Even my ship's hamster brain would explode. They also work to climb ladder. But I see no ladder, only chairs, screens, and anxiety. When they reach the top, they are still not happy. So, they buy a chair that massages their back. Happiness achieved, temporarily. They worship something called productivity. It means doing more things faster, even when the thing they do makes them sad. They say, I am grinding, like coffee bean, very poetic, very tragic. On my planet, we work only when asteroid hits house. We fix it, then nap. Sometimes we stare at the sun for 3 days. We call that existence. Humans call it lazy. They also invented something called weekend. 2 small days where they remember they are alive. Then Monday arrives, and life ends again. I think humans do not work for survival. They work to avoid thinking about survival. If they stop, the silence might be too loud. So they keep typing, selling, counting, pretending that busyness means meaning. Maybe work is not about money, not about passion, not even about purpose. Maybe it is just a long distraction from the question, what am I supposed to do with my one small life? On my planet we have no jobs, only existence. But maybe humans need chaos to feel alive. Maybe all this working is just another form of breathing. Or maybe they are all just waiting for one very long weekend.